we are going to work on drawing a still life. A still life is at least one object, often more, arranged and drawn. Artists like to draw still lifes and hide all sorts of meaning and story in them. For example, this is by the artist Andy Warhol and is called Campbell's Soup Cans. He used an everyday object that anyone could recognize, and he painted it again and again and again, making the point that anything can be art. We're going to start our day by drawing this toy together to learn some of the techniques that artists use when they draw a still life. First, you'll need to figure out how much space you need to draw by looking down at your paper and imagining you're drawing on it. Then, we want to carefully look at our object and figure out what shapes make it up. For example, when you look at the head, it looks like a circle. Pause the video for a moment and turn to a neighbor. Tell them what different shapes you think you will use to draw the toy. Grab your pencil and draw along with me as I go. We've already noticed that the head is a circle, so go ahead and draw that. Then you're going to draw another circle kind of on top of the head for the nose, and you're going to erase the parts that overlap because we don't need them. The end of the nose has another circle in it, so I'm going to draw kind of a half circle to finish that up. Then I'm adding 2 circles for the nostrils. I'm adding a circle for that area of color that is around the eye, and then I'm adding another circle for the eye. Now for the other eye, look closely at it and notice that it doesn't have that same area of color, so I'm only going to draw 1 circle for the inside of the eye. The ear is a long circle or an oval with a line in the middle. The other ear is a little bit of a rounder oval, also with a straight line inside of it. The top of the body is a circle, and the 2 front legs are long ovals with 2 circles on the end. A triangle connects the top half with the bottom half, and the back leg comes out in an oval and then ends in a circle. The last thing you need to do is draw that circle that makes up the front of his chest. And there you have it. Your teacher has brought in some objects. He or she will give you instructions on how to get into groups and set up these objects so that you can create your own still life to draw using the techniques that we just learned.